the ghetto. Welcome back, beauties. D.Beasley here. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Sis, everybody come on in the room. Come on in the room, baby. Get into this look, okay? What? Excuse me? Are we ready for the holidays or no? Okay, so what I did here is a classic smoky eye, very soft. Or I don't feel like it's like super like bam in your face type of, you know, smoky eye. I feel like it's very soft, very subtle. We only did liner on the bottom, no liner on the top, you know, to give us that my lip is still drying, I'm sorry. Hot red lip. Nothing screams the holidays like the hot red lip. I keep saying it. Girl, wait a minute, back up. Everybody needs to grab your snacks. Get you some cookies, chips, cupcakes, ding dongs, cracklings, bacon and eggs. I'm not really sure. But if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Not just trying to give me a hard time, okay? Okay, beauty, so let's go ahead and get started. So today I want to do a look with a nice, simple smoky eye and a pop of red on the lip. So let's just go ahead and jump in it. I'm going to put this Jaclyn lip oil on my lips. This thing going fast. I ain't had it that long. That's what that looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. I'm gonna use precisely my brow pencil in number 4. And we're going to, nope, this is number 5. And we're just gonna use that to do our brows. And I'm gonna do a soft brow. I like a deeper brow, but I don't want it to be like dark. You know what I'm saying? I went and got my brows done so they not all wonky. I can't believe this camera trying to give me a hard time. I love it when I get my brows done and it's like that's why it's really good to get your, like, that's like a must. You need to get your brows groomed before you go get your makeup done. Like, y'all have no idea how many brow hairs I have to like tame. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Loreal Infallible in the shade number Honey to clean up under my brows. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this P. Louise base in Rumor 02 and I'm gonna put that on top of it, just a little bit. For my eye look, I want to use my new Empower palette by Huda Beauty. That's what that looks like. Beautiful. Very neutral tones. But the look I'm going for, I want it to be like soft, smoky eye, if that's a thing, with the red lip, like I said. So I'm going to go in with my first shade, Legacy, which is right here on the end. That's coming up on my brush, like on the outer portion of my eye, but right in my crease. I'm gonna zoom y'all in some. I'm just taking it and patting it in my crease. Very pigmented though. Huda eyeshadows ain't no joke, but it's so funny to see all these freaking cameras everywhere. I got a camera over here, and I got my phone. The next shade I'm gonna go in is the shade Confident. The only thing this palette don't have is a black. So we're gonna have to get a black from somewhere else. But they're very pigmented colors, as always. The black is like a eyeliner, I wanna say. I'm gonna take a smaller brush to go into the front with that first color to like blend that out. We're gonna take the shade, it's a nude shade called Get It, which is right here. We're gonna take that one. I'm trying to like buff it. I don't want it to be as like harsh right there. I'm putting that kind of like on my brow bone, but not all the way. So blending out that line right there. So you see, it's not black, but it's like that deepness to it. So I'm gonna go into, let's see, let's find us a dark brown. And the Warrior 2 by Juvia's Place, this palette. We're gonna take this black and we're gonna use that to give us our soft, smoky effect. A little bit goes a long way. And I'm just putting it on the outer portion of my eye. And I'm pressing it because I want it to be really soft. I don't want it to be harsh at all. And I'm only putting it on the outer V of my eye. Then I'm going to take the second brush I had and just blend it out. I want to make sure it has enough pigment right there. I'm going to take the lightest shade, which is Power. I'm going to put that in the front portion of my eye. Like almost like my tear duct, but like right there. These are they're not powdery, but they're powdery. See what I did there? Just giving me like a canvas to work with. And then I'm gonna put one of these shimmery shades right in the middle. I just don't know which one that is. I think I'm gonna do Bold Moves. Bold Moves looks like a mix between gold and silver. I'm gonna take this brush here. And I'm gonna take Bold Moves, which is right here. I'm gonna put it right in the middle of my lid. Oop, yep, that's real flaky. Okay, just press. Press, press, press. And put that right in the center of my eye. And I try to bring it up a little bit from to my crease because I know how my hooded lid works. I want to be able to see it when I open my eye. Y'all see that? That's pretty. It's almost like it's a loose glitter in a pan. I can't explain it. Like it's not a pressed glitter in the pan. It's like a loose glitter in the pan. I'm just going to put a little bit of that color back in the front so we're not losing it. Okay, so this is all I'm going to do for my eyes. Look at how much fallout there is. That's from that palette. See, it's just loose up in there. Like, but it's cute. But it's loose up in there. But do you see how soft it is? It's not harsh, it's not extra, it's not too much. It's just enough. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started into this face. I'm gonna go ahead and use this e.l.f. primer grip or power grip primer. We're gonna use that to prime our face. This look will be perfect for any holiday party. I feel like it's soft enough, and then once you throw on your lip, like it's gonna set everything off. So I'm going to go in with the Morphe Filtr Effect foundation. I really like this foundation. It's a glowy foundation, very moisturizing, but it's like really good for, you know, the winter months when, you know, normally everybody, normally everything's real dry. You're gonna come with the glowy skin, glowy foundation. So I want to put this on because I love the look of it. I love what it does for me. It does it for me. And I'm just gonna pat that all in as well. I like this foundation because it gives you like a really nice glow, but it doesn't like give you like too much glow. I've been really into like a lot of glowy foundations. Glowy skin is in. Even though like I like to, you know, I'm gonna set it with a powder, I do love the look that this gives me. It like gives you that glow from within type of look or whatever. And if you have dry skin, you definitely can use a hydrating foundation or a glowy foundation. And when you're oily, like I'm combination oily skin type as well, I feel like you can use it also. You just need to know not to overly, you know, excessively use it. So we're gonna go in with our concealer. I want to use the Tarte Ultra Creamy concealer in the shade Tan Deep Honey. No, we know that's too loud. This is gonna be my highlighting concealer. That's why I'm only using a little. Then I'm gonna take the Fenty Pro Filter concealer and put it right in between all of that. Really only. I think I don't know why I'm starting to blend it out. Let me go ahead and put some of this. Let's do a little bit of cream contouring. So I'm gonna take my Soul Bronzer in the shade Deep Dark. I'm gonna take some of this. I'm just just gonna blend that out with the butt of my sponge. I just like for it to warm me up a little bit. I don't like for it to do too much. I'm gonna go ahead and blend out this concealer. And as we talked about, all we're doing is pressing it in. And if you feel like you need to go in with a little bit more, I feel like we're okay. I feel like we're good. We're going to leave it like it is. But I feel like if I add some more, I'm going to be mad later on. So I'm not going to add no more, okay? I'm going to go ahead and use my Sephora translucent setting powder to set under my eye. And then we're going to go on top of that with the Jaclyn Apricot brightening powder. This Sephora one is one of my favorite powders. I'm gonna get some more. They about to go back on sale. I told myself when they go back on sale, I need to get some more. They about to be 30% off again. I feel like that's enough, but I'm gonna take my Jaclyn brightening apricot powder. I'm gonna just take a little bit of it. I really feel like I don't need it. We're just gonna put that under our eye. I'm still getting used to that powder. I'm still getting used to it. Let's go ahead and finish the rest of this face. I'm gonna set all over. I'm gonna set all over with my Fenty powder in the shade number 410. Girl, we look good. We look good. We look good. Okay. I wish y'all could see the mess that I make when I do these videos. Okay. When we finish, we're going to spray our face so it helps get rid of like any type of powdery look. For bronzer, I'm going to use my Jaclyn bronzer in the shade Poolside, which is there. So it has a little bit of a red undertone, but I feel like the one under it doesn't do exactly what I need it to do. But that's what that looks like. I'm going to use my Sephora bronzer brush, which I never get to use. And we're just going to put it all in the areas where I use that Soul Cream bronzer. Y'all know how we do. They look good. And I'm going to just put a little bit on my nose. Ooh, that looks good. I'm going to take this sponge and just clean out the center of my nose. And we're going to take some of this brightening apricot powder from Jaclyn. I'm going to put a little bit in the center of my nose. My heating unit makes so much freaking noise, y'all. It's turned off. It's not turned off, but it's turned down. So I'm cold up in here, okay? What kind of blush? Let's take NARS Exhibit A, which is a ready blush, but we're just going to put that. It's like ready orange to me, but everybody says red, so we're gonna just go with it. We'll put it on the apples of our cheek. Pull it back, pull it back. And that's too much. So we're gonna go in with the butt of our sponge. Y'all know I just like a little flush of color, okay? A little flush. Now, for the girls who don't like eyeliner on the bottom, you can stop here, put your lip on, and move on. However, I'm a girl who likes eyeliner. So we're gonna put a little bit of eyeliner on. I'm gonna use my Perversion by Urban Decay. I'm just gonna put some on my waterline. Just a little bit. Not a whole lot, but just enough. I love this Perversion eyeliner. I actually picked up another one during the holiday sale because they were 50% off. Because I wanted to be smoky. Because we didn't do a whole lot on our lid. We did enough. And then we're going to blend that out before it dries too quick. Then we're going to go back into the Huda palette. And we're going to take that deeper brown shade, Confident, which is right there. And we're going to press that in it to set it in that black. Even though it's black, It's a deeper brown, so we can set it with that. So it doesn't look super harsh, but it's harsh enough. So it doesn't look like too overpowering with the black on the black. Good, y'all. Oh my God. So that's it for the face. This is your look. We're gonna go ahead and put our lippy on. Now the lippy of the night is gonna be Painted Dolls Cosmetics Lip Kit in Flotus. Y'all know what time it is. This kit comes with the lip pencil and the liquid lipstick. So we're gonna use both of those. And if I need to jump into a deeper lip liner, I will. I never really use like red lip liners for my red lip. I'm actually gonna take the shade Nightmoth by MAC. It's one of my all-time favorites. I love using like Nightmoth or a darker, deeper shade to go with my red lip. So here's the star of the show. I ain't really had a chance to wear the red. I've only worn the pink, the nude, and the purple. This is my extra one, and I had to bust it out because I couldn't find my other one. I know ain't nobody got me for my Painted Dolls liquid lipstick now. Y'all, that is beautiful. Okay, beauty, so here's the finished look. How are we loving it? Okay, baby, nothing screams the holidays like a red lip. Do you hear me? Very soft on the eyes. I don't know if I want to do top eyeliner and bottom eyeliner. Lately, I've been like, I gotta pick and choose which one I want to do. You know what I'm saying? But I really like the way this look turned out. This liquid lipstick, look, you see that it's still drying because I had that lip oil on. But y'all, look at it. I'll put the link for the liquid lipstick down below. Do not forget to check out Painted Dolls Cosmetics. I believe I still have a discount code. If I do, I'll leave it down there as well. But I wanted to show y'all how to do this real simple, classic, like simple holiday look. I swear. Like, I love it, y'all. I just want to come on here and do our very first holiday look for the season for December. You know, when y'all see this video, it will actually be officially December 1st. So I hope y'all enjoyed this look. If you have questions, please leave comments down below. Questions down below. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below as well. And until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye, beauties.